There you go. There you go. Go up high, go up high, go up high. Hey, Jim, doubled up! Yeah! There we go. There we go. Right next to the boat. Thumbnail. Right. You got the bump board? Got it? Let's go, Jim! There you go. Ow. That's good fish. All right. Well, good afternoon for the great state of Maine. I got to film a new intro for this video because, as with every year, the tournament never goes to plan. For some background, I run a catch and release striped bass tournament every year here in southern Maine and New Hampshire. It's called the Andy Boyd Memorial Catch and Release Striped Bass Tournament. We run it on the Fish Donkey app. It's your 4 biggest fish. And every year I come up with a plan, and it always just kind of goes to hell. So today's plan for this trip was to load up on mackerel with Jim and Steve. They're both experienced fishermen. And then fish a ledge for one part of the tide. Then go grab some of my family members, some cousins, and my aunt to drift the river, get everybody some fish. And then I was going to take a nap and then go out beach fishing. So we did all that. Unfortunately, Steve got pretty seasick. Always happens. Somebody always gets sick. It's just the tournament. It almost never happens on my boat. Got Jay last year, got Steve this year. So sorry, bud, but we'll get you on some fish soon. So I got to break the video into 2 parts, though, because the morning session wound up being the best single tide of striped bass fishing I've ever had. And when you take the day in totality, I had the best day of striped bass fishing I've ever had my entire life. I personally caught 5 fish over 40, 20 fish over 30, put 4 guys on their biggest fish ever, 42s, 41s. You know, we caught some 40s from the surf. For those of you who follow the channel, you know I've been struggling to beach fish and surf fish. It was kind of a goal of mine this year to learn it, and this was redemption after getting skunked on more than a few trips. So first half of the video is just going to be on the boat, though. Me and Jim got after it. I was toasted. You'll hear me grunting and groaning because after the 4th or 5th fish just battling through the waves, the rocks, and the lobster buoys, I was spent. And we still wind up fishing until 1, 2 in the morning. So enjoy this footage and come back next week for the beach sesh. Okay, so we lost Steve. He's alive, but not feeling so hot. Sorry, bud. Watch this footage later and see what we got into, man, but it is what it is. Tournament claims somebody every year. Last year it was Jay. Me and Jim are in on the graveyard. I'll tell you guys because I don't care. I have been catching big fish here for the past couple weeks, but I haven't made a video about it because I didn't want to burn my spot. But there's people here anyways. A couple 40s, a couple 38s. We're going to stick around here doing some filming, so we'll see what type of footage we get. But this isn't the I care about filming time of the day. This is the I'm trying to win the tournament time of day. So a couple hours to go scoop up the family, and then we'll be in the river, maybe get in some blues, hopefully catch some stripers. Enjoy the footage. I think I got a schoolie. Maybe not. You ready? You can cast right behind me, dude. This fish heard me talking smack about him. I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. I held on to the short bite. Yeah, Jim, I'm in trouble. This fish is worth going to get, maybe. I haven't stopped him yet, but we'll see. Like he's in a good area right now. Like he's not anywhere bad. I haven't stopped him yet though. It's just zigzagging back and forth. That's what we like. Oh man, dude. The head shakes. The head shakes. He's not that big, he's just solid. Okay. Alright. Okay. Stay away from that lobster trap. Jim. Look.
Whoa.
Easy, sweetheart. I just want to see you. I just want to talk to you for a minute. Just want to say hi. Just want to introduce you to my friend Jim. Come on. Just want to introduce you to my friend Jim, who for some reason isn't helping me net this fish. Still counts as a solo.
That thing is so thick.
This is a big striper. I think at 41. Yeah, I can't feel bites. They're short striking, dude. So literally keep track of your mackerel.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Can you get my phone?
Holy.
Oh, there you go with that swearing again.
41. Look how thick that is, though. Want a picture now? I can take it with my
Yeah,
phone.
can you do like a super sweet, like,
Portrait mode?
yeah, get it real big background, like extra good.
Yeah, see this? That's good.
Clean it off, it's worth it.
All right.
You got it?
Yeah, I got a bunch of them.
Okay. Oh my God. Anyways, you see how just when they start getting big, they're just a different creature. Look at how big he is. Like, look at him in the water. I'm swim, dude. There we go. Got another one.
Nice.
Yeah. This is a big fish. Oh my God, this is a really big fish.
Holy shit.
Yeah, Jim, this is over 40. This is over 40. Oh wow, dude, this I might lose this fish. Turn the other way, sweetheart. Don't go to the rocks. Oh wow, dude, I can't even move it. Oh, Jim, this is a massive striper. There's rocks. Don't go into those, sweetheart. Don't go into the rocks. No, no, no. Come on, come on, come out. There you go. 30, but I have 25 fluoro.
Okay, yeah.
Come on out of there. Come on out, sweetheart. Come on, come on. Come on out of there. See him up on the surface, way out. He's going the right direction. I want him to go that way. Oh!
Fuck.
Pulled the hook.
Yeah.
There you go with that swearing, though. Now it's gonna haunt me for a long time. That's what you want. That looks like the right fish. I need to get some gloves. My hands are shredded. 36. Had you behind the goddamn. I just got picked up right here. I don't want to get cocky, but I just weaved all those lobster pots. Went outside that one, inside that one, and over top of that one. See how you get up high, and like if they go into it, you can't do anything, but you can at least get over them if they decide to go around them. Turn that camera towards me a little. I don't know if this one will go 40, but she's a good high 30s. I'm just circling him. He's just circling. Goddamn boat. Oh, maybe I'll get him on this one. Net, 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 net. Maybe not, maybe not. Just put it over here. All right. Cute. Yeah, mid 30s. Yeah, maybe better. Oh, high 30s. Oh. Where's the glove? Watch my rod right behind you. 40.
Well, that's 40.5.
Doing the right thing. That's a big fish. Wow. Stay away from that lobster boat. See him up on the surface? This is a big fish. Okay. Yeah, there's a striper over there. That's big. Just hang out right there, honey. Don't go talk to that green buoy. I don't want you to. So Jim, I was literally like here and the mackerel swam towards the boat, and that's when the striper got me near the boat. Yeah, dude, this is a good fish. How's my camera lens? Everybody, that's Jim. Is it clean?
Yeah, it's pretty clean.
Pretty or actually clean?
Yeah, it's clean.
Crap. There you go, turn the other way. There you go, sweetheart. That's what you... God, if I wasn't fishing, this audio would be just gross. You ever heard that? It's audio of fishermen without video, and it's like, yeah, oh, it's so big. Oh, he's pulling so hard, and it's like, eeh. Stay inside that lobster pot. Stay inside that one. Yeah, there's my friend. There you go, sweetheart. Woo! Jim.
Whoa.
You think you can net this one for me, bud? Oh, we're coming in. He's coming in now. Okay, Jim. Wait, don't go to him. I'll bring his head to you, and then you scoop under him. Scoop under. Thank you. Just bring him in the boat. Just lay him there, yeah. That's fine.
Jesus.
Oh, you want to help Daddy with his phone? Man. Oh, did I just refer to myself as Daddy?
Yeah, you did. I heard that.
Fish as the host. Glove on. Okay. My line's wrapped around the tip of my rod. Can you fix that? I'll just get a quick photo. 37. You good? Want me to let him go?
Yep.
You're like, yeah, I'm only gonna take a photo if it's over 40.
Yeah.
Got the whole fish? Dave, give me a couple. Thumbnail. You guys. Bingo. Kind of straight out. He's going. It's two of us.
Nice. Holy shit.
Are you inside or outside that frickin' line? Come on, fish, get back here. Oh. Did you see that giant swirl?
Yeah.
Is that where your bait is?
Yeah.
Yeah, tighten up your line a little.
Oh, I just got taken. Got taken right now.
Yeah, get right back out there. They're sitting right there. There you go. There you go. Go up high. Go up high. Go up high. Hey, Jim, doubled up. Yeah. What do you use it for hooks? You want one of mine?
I got show cars, 9-aughts.
This is gonna be an upgrade, I think.
I don't know if my bag is just too tight, kind of pulling him a little bit.
Can you pull that net in? Oh. Pass you my phone. Right there. Upgrade. So we're calling this 40, calling it 41. You still on? Nice. Let me get mine entered and I'll give you a net. Do you need a net?
Don't know. It doesn't seem that big, but you have to fight it.
handling him? Woo! Pinch him. You got the bump board? Let's go, Jay.